Good evening from the Central Illinois Weather Network. I'm Larry Eastep. A flash flood warning has been issued by the National Weather Service in Lincoln until 2 a.m. Central Time for persons in Morgan County in west central Illinois. You're looking at Storm Predator right now, and you can see a nearly stationary band of thunderstorms that have really increased over the past hour to hour and a half. You can see them just kind of building in that same area there where you see the icon pop up in the past couple of images of this flash flood warning. Basically, these storms have just been sitting over the same area, producing locally heavy rainfall right along a frontal boundary that's really not moving at the moment. Let's go over to Storm Lab. We'll show you this a little bit better detail. First of all, we're going to show you here over the past several hours the amount of precipitation that has fallen over Morgan County, including the Jacksonville area. This is since this rainfall began shortly after dark this evening, and as you can see in some of these areas here just to the southwest of Franklin, just to the southwest of Illinois 104, east of 267 Murrayville, we're not showing much rain at all, but over here in these areas just to the southwest of Franklin, we're seeing this purple, and purple here, if you look over on the scale to the left of your screen, indicates 3 to 4 inches. We'll zoom in here a little bit closer. We can tell you a little bit more of the area we're talking about again that has received the heaviest rainfall. Again, it's just to the southwest of Franklin and just to the east of 267. So between Franklin and Murrayville, come back out here just a little bit and you can see heavier rain extends all the way up into the South Jacksonville area along Illinois 111, and pretty much that corridor there between Illinois 267 and Illinois 104. Right there to the south of that, you're seeing this very heavy rainfall even down in the Modesto area. Pull out a little bit more here and we can show you again. Jacksonville's also included in this. At 10:42 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a very heavy area of rainfall across the warned area. Radar estimates suggest that nearly 2 inches of rain has fallen in the warning area, and additional amounts of around an inch will be likely. We're also going to look at runoff from this as a major concern. Let's switch over to Storm Lab, actually reflectivity here, and show you what we'll show you here, the 1 hour accumulated rainfall. And this really gives you even a better picture of what we're talking about. The 1 hour accumulated rainfall would be 2 to 2.5 inches. That's in the yellow, and look at that expansive area of yellow there in extreme southern Morgan County, also into portions of northern Macoupin County. Now we're looking at the same thing, so areas to the west of Verdon and Girard may also be seeing the potential for runoff and flash flooding from this. But again, the primary area we're looking at is from Interstate 72 south in Morgan County, where the potential for flash flooding exists. Of course, it being night, that is also a major concern, as flash flooding often is very hard to see. Flooded roadways can very quickly become dangerous, and you never want to cross a roadway that has standing water or flowing water on it because of that threat. But you can see here in this particular image, just over the past hour, maximum of 2.6 inches of rainfall in 1 hour, indicated by radar, from a line stretching from Woodson to Franklin south to the county line and actually all the way down into the Modesto area. We're seeing those yellow returns. Very serious situation here. Again, back to Storm Predator, we'll show you this area is not moving a lot, and so that means the rainfall is accumulating in the same areas continuously with not much of a break. We're not seeing any lightning with these storms, but they're sitting in one area, and that is a concern. The areas most likely to experience flash flooding would include Franklin, Woodson, and Jacksonville. Again, a flash flood warning in effect for Morgan County in west central Illinois until 2 a.m. Central Time. You can see this band of very heavy rain to the west of I-55 over the northern half of Macoupin County, stretching right through the center, almost all of Morgan County now, and even up into portions of extreme southern Schuyler County. This eventually will start to track a little bit more towards the east, eventually affecting areas of western Sangamon County before midnight. We'll keep an eye on this throughout the night. Again, a flash flood warning for folks in Morgan County until 2 a.m. From the Central Illinois Weather Network, I'm Larry Eastep.